Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, the weekend. Monday, washing. Tuesday, cleaning. Wednesday, go to the bank. Thursday, go to the library. Friday, gardening. Saturday, go for a meal. Sunday, play some sport. The weekend, go camping.
Read the news. Read the menu. Read the cards. Read the notes. Read a number plate. Read a text. Read my lips. Read her mind. Read a magazine. Read the bill. Read in bed. Read a map. Learn to read. Read many books. Read a letter. Read English. Let's go camping. Folding chair. Tent. Campfire. Boots. Torch. Mallet. Coffee cup. Toasting fork. Tent pegs. Sleeping bag. Knife and fork. Water bottle. This way to the camp. Let's eat. Burger. Sandwich. Penne pasta. Pizza. Sushi. Fried egg. Cream soup. Beef steak. French fries. Salad with olive oil. Hot dog. Chicken strips. Omelette. Grilled fish. Spaghetti. Pancake.